how to enable or disable the touchpad on your laptop for Windows 10 or Windows 11. So first you'll need to right click on the start button and then open up the settings. And then you want to go to devices or Bluetooth and devices in Windows 11. And then you will need to scroll down and click on the touchpad, or in Windows 10 you can click on it from the left side menu. And then simply just check the box here to turn it on, or you can uncheck it to turn it off like that. And the second way to do it via pressing keys is to hold down the Fn key on your keyboard and then press the F7 key to toggle on or off the touchpad. And if F7 for some reason doesn't work for your laptop, you can try a different combinations. For example, Fn and then F8 or F9. And this should toggle on or off your touchpad on your computer. And that's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you found this helpful. See you on the next one.